99% of Americans are using their HSA the wrong way, which most likely means that you fall in this category as well. Because if you understood how to use your HSA the right way, you would realize that it can become one of the most powerful tax advantage wealth building tools available. Because not only does the IRS allow you to get a triple tax benefit on these accounts, if used correctly, it could supercharge your retirement, allowing you to retire 3 times faster. And in this video, I'm going to show you how the wealthy people turn their HSA from a health expense account into a stealth retirement account worth millions. So here's the problem. Most people think that an HSA is simply an account used for medical expenses. So they use this account like a debit card for prescriptions, doctor visits, copays. Now, technically that is allowed and that is what the account is for. But strategically, that can be one of the biggest missed opportunity in your personal finance and wealth building journey. Because when you drain the account every single year, you kill the compounding. You give up years, sometimes decades of tax-free growth that could have been working for you in the background. The IRS rules lets HSA funds stay in the account and continue growing over time. And unlike an FSA with a HSA, the money can roll over year, which could lead to millions of tax-free dollars. But before we get into the advanced strategy, let's do a review so everyone can understand what an HSA actually is. So HSA stands for Health Savings Account. It's a tax advantage account available for people who are covered by a high deductible health plan, which some additional eligibility rules apply. But for 2026, the IRS publication 969 says that you can contribute up to $4,400 per year in this account if you're single, or $8,750 for a family with a catch-up contribution of $1,000 if you're 55 and over. So if you're 55 and over, you can put up to $9,750 into this account. And what makes this account special is it gives you 3 layers of tax advantages. Number 1, you put the money in pre-tax, meaning you get a tax deduction for the money going in. Number 2, the money grows tax-free. And last but not least, if this money is used for qualified medical expenses, you can take it out tax-free. This means that you get a triple tax benefit on the same dollar. Let me tell you this, avoiding tax one time is good. Avoiding tax twice is amazing, but avoiding taxes 3 times on the same dollar, that is powerful. And this is why this account deserves more attention than it actually gets. Now, the question is, what can you use this tax-free money for? Meaning, what expenses qualify as qualified health related expenses? And I think that most people have no idea how wide the spectrum is for these qualified expenses. You can use your HSA for chiropractor visits, for doctor visits. You can use it for prescription glasses, for prescription surgery. You can even use this money for things like peptides or prescriptions. There's a wide variety of expenses that you can use your HSA for, and most people don't know. So if you want a full list, I would go to hsabank.com. They have a full list of over 50 different expenses that you can use your HSA for. But here's where it gets interesting, because the real power of the HSA is not actually spending the money. The real power of the HSA is keeping it invested, but then getting paid back later. So what does this mean? This means instead of using your HSA card when you have a medical expense, you can use your personal debit card for your medical expenses. Keep your receipts and documentation, and then you can reimburse yourself years later at a tax-free reimbursement. And what does this do? Number 1, it creates flexibility, but more importantly, years down the line, when you reimburse yourself for these medical expenses, that reimbursement money is tax-free. And this is why people often call HSAs a stealth IRA. So let me give you an actual client example on how this works. So we've been working with a client for almost 7 years now. And when we started working with the client, they had an HSA balance of about $400,000. Now, 7 years later, that HSA has a balance close to $825,000.
What's up, YouTube family? Thanks so much for watching the show. I hope you are enjoying this episode, but if you are watching this, there's actually a 70% chance that you're not subscribed to the channel, and that's okay. We appreciate you for watching and listening. However, if you wouldn't mind hitting that subscriber button, it'll let YouTube know that other people are interested in the show so that we can further spread the message of money.
And if you're ready to start learning how to build wealth and save on taxes, we highly recommend you join our Multiply Your Money Challenge. This is a 5-day virtual event where both me and George are going to be teaching you the advanced tax and investing strategies of the 1%. And we highly recommend that you grab a VIP ticket because both me and George are going to be answering your personal financial and tax questions. That link can be found in the show notes below. Can't wait to see you there.
Peace.
And in that 7-year window, this client has incurred about $125,000 of medical expenses. But they paid these medical expenses out of pocket and not out of their HSA. What does this mean? This means that not only did it allow their HSA to grow faster because they didn't interrupt the compounding, it means that when they get into their first couple years of retirement, they have $125,000 of, get this, tax-free dollars that they can take from their HSA and use to sustain their first few years in retirement. So not only did the HSA grow faster by implementing this method, they now can fund their entire first year of retirement with tax-free income, meaning they can leave the rest of their money invested. And this is the power of using your HSA the right way. So now that you understand the power of this strategy, how do you actually set it up? Well, here's the play. So step number one, you want to make sure you're actually HSA eligible. So you need an HSA eligible high deductible health plan, and you need to make sure that you're not disqualified from having an HSA due to your health plan. Step number two, you want to max it out annually. So again, in 2026, it's $4,400 if you're single, $87.50 if you're married with a family, and you get an extra $1,000 if you're over 55. Now, step number three is key. You want to pay for your medical expenses out of your personal funds, and you want to keep all of your receipts for documentation. Now, I wouldn't keep a shoebox of receipts. I would take a picture of each receipt. I will upload it to the cloud or a Google Drive somewhere so that you can always come back to it when you need it. And step number four is, as your HSA is invested over time, you want to decide when you're going to reimburse yourself for this money. Now, again, the later you reimburse yourself, the faster and the more money you will have in your HSA. And lastly, part number five is you want to make sure that whatever year you're pulling from these funds, I would recommend it be when you're in retirement, because the problem that most retirees have is a lot of their money is in tax deferred retirement accounts, meaning when they pull from retirement, they're going to have to pay taxes. But when you reimburse yourself from your HSA, you don't have to pay taxes. So this way, your first year or maybe even 2 years of retirement is completely funded on tax-free money. Now, as a recap, your HSA gives you a rare triple tax advantage contributions, tax-free growth, and tax-free withdrawals. And now that you know the strategy, it actually gives you a fourth pillar, which is tax-free income in retirement. So if you have an HSA or you're looking to open an HSA, make sure you do it today so you can start reaping these benefits later. And if you enjoyed this video, like this video, do me a favor, please hit that subscribe button and leave a comment in the video. Was this strategy helpful? Was it powerful? And if so, feel free to share this video as well. All right, guys, can't wait to see you on the other side of wealth. Peace.